What's a quick way to look at your data in EtaPRO without having to use Excel? Well, I'm going to go ahead and show you by going to the EP TrendSetter here. And this is the trending tool that we have within EtaPRO. So first we enter our start and end times for fixed time. And then I'm going to go down and let's do an XY graph. So I'm going to use the X-axis here, select XY graph. And I want to look at the generation for CT1 on the X-axis. And then I'm going to select curve fit here. And we can actually do an overlay of the curve fit. And I'm going to go with a second order curve fit. And then I'm going to add my Y variable. And for this, I want to look at fuel gas flow and have that plotted against generation. And there's our plot. And we can see it did a curve fit right over it. And then the next thing I want to do here is right click and go down to curve fit coefficients. And this automatically generates the curve fit coefficients for you. And you can go ahead and highlight rows A, B, and C and copy. And then you can go ahead and paste into any program you want from there, whether it's Excel or whether you want to paste it within EtaPRO. And you could create an EtaPRO point that will generate an expected value.